Welcome to the Mayo Daily Channel, where we explore some of the world's most fascinating destinations. Today, we're taking you on a journey to Petra, Jordan, a city steeped in ancient history and architectural wonders. From the towering sandstone cliffs to the intricate carvings and sculptures, Petra is a treasure trove of cultural and natural beauty. Join us as we uncover the secrets and stories of this remarkable city, and discover why it continues to capture the hearts and imaginations of visitors from around the globe. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the wonders of Petra, Jordan. Petra, Jordan, a treasure of ancient history and architecture. Petra, located in the southwestern region of Jordan, is one of the world's most intriguing archaeological sites. Known as the Rose City due to the pink hue of its rock-cut architecture, Petra is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular tourist destination. The city is renowned for its impressive structures carved out of sandstone cliffs, its ancient water management system, and its rich cultural history. History and significance. Petra was originally established as a trading hub by the Nabataean people in the 4th century BCE. The Nabataeans were skilled traders who controlled the routes of spice, silk, and other luxury goods from Arabia to the Mediterranean. Petra became a prosperous city thanks to its strategic location and the Nabataeans' expertise in water management. They constructed a sophisticated system of dams, cisterns, and channels to collect and distribute water throughout the city, which allowed them to sustain agriculture and other industries. Petra continued to flourish under Roman rule in the 2nd century CE, when it became a hub for trade and commerce in the region. The Romans built impressive structures, including a massive amphitheater and a triumphal arch, which still stand today. Petra's importance as a trade center declined in the 5th century CE, as new trade routes emerged, and the city was eventually abandoned and forgotten. Rediscovery and preservation. Petra was rediscovered in the early 19th century by Swiss explorer Johann Ludwig Burckhardt, who disguised himself as an Arab merchant to gain entry to the city. His accounts of the Rose City captivated the world's imagination and sparked renewed interest in the ancient Nabataean civilization. Since then, Petra has been the subject of numerous archaeological expeditions, and its rich history and stunning architecture have been revealed to the world. The preservation of Petra is an ongoing challenge, as the site is exposed to natural elements such as erosion, earthquakes, and flash floods, as well as human activities such as tourism and development. The Jordanian government and international organizations such as UNESCO have worked to protect and conserve Petra, through measures such as limiting the number of visitors, providing education and training for local communities, and investing in infrastructure and technology to monitor and mitigate damage. Architecture and art. The most iconic structures of Petra are the rock-cut tombs and temples, which were carved directly into the sandstone cliffs by the Nabataeans. The most famous of these is the Treasury, or Al-Khazna, which was believed to have been a royal tomb or a temple. The Treasury's facade is adorned with intricate carvings and sculptures, including a depiction of Medusa's head, which was intended to ward off evil spirits. Other notable structures in Petra include the monastery, the amphitheater, and the Great Temple. The art and decoration of Petra reflect the cultural influences and trade connections of the Nabataeans. The architecture shows a fusion of Hellenistic, Roman, and indigenous styles, while the decorative motifs incorporate elements from various regions, such as Egyptian, Assyrian, and Persian. The Nabataeans also excelled in pottery, jewelry, and metalworking, and their works have been found throughout the region. Tourism and future prospects. Petra remains a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors every year. The site offers a unique combination of natural beauty, ancient history, and cultural diversity, making it a valuable asset for Jordan and the global community. However, the influx of tourists also poses challenges for the conservation and management of the site, as it requires careful planning and investment to balance economic benefits and environmental impact. The future prospects of Petra depend on the collaboration and cooperation of various stakeholders, including the government, local communities, and international organizations. In recent years, there have been efforts to promote sustainable tourism and to involve local communities in the management and development of the site. For example, the Petra National Trust, a local non-profit organization, works to raise awareness and support for the conservation of Petra and its surrounding landscape. The organization also provides vocational training and economic opportunities for local residents, such as through handicraft production and cultural tourism. In addition to tourism, there are opportunities for research and education related to Petra and the Nabataean civilization. Archaeologists continue to uncover new discoveries and insights into the history and culture of Petra, and there is potential for further research in fields such as geology, hydrology, and ecology. Educational programs and cultural exchanges can also help to promote awareness and appreciation of Petra and its significance for global heritage. Overall, Petra is a unique and fascinating destination that offers a window into the past and a glimpse of the future. Its ancient architecture, water management system, and cultural diversity are testaments to the ingenuity and resilience of the human spirit. As a global heritage site, Petra represents a shared legacy and a source of inspiration for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on our journey to Petra, Jordan. We hope you enjoyed exploring this remarkable destination with us and learning about its rich history and culture. Don't forget to subscribe to the Mayo Daily channel for more travel videos and adventures. And if you've been to Petra yourself or have any questions or comments, please share them with us in the comments section below. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the wonders of the world.